if you want to work on your me time and there's too much content out there and you just really just want to go onto a park bench and have a workbook with tons of experts telling you or giving you some inspiration on what to do in a very short amount of time without the overwhelm, then I've got something for you. Yay! Today, the Me Time workbook is released, which is such a wonderful compilation of 30 authors, including me, 30 experts on resilience, mental health, and self-empowerment, basically. And what it is, it's really like very, very short, condensed 5-minute exercises, max, created by the wonderful people of 5 Minutes for Me app. And this is really something you can take and go on a hiking tour or to a spa and get tons of inspiration and really hands-on strategies on how to create more me time in a very wonderful way. So if you want it, the link is down below. Today's the release. Party people. Much love. Bye.